अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश शरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Now today I am making this video for those who want to teach online Quran in English or Urdu all over the world. So this video would be very helpful for them. This is my humble request to all of you. Please watch this video, share it as much as you can. Especially share on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum. There is a zabar before ism jalalat. You will read with the tafkhim. The meaning of tafkhim is bold, heavily, strongly. The next letter is la because alif has a short mad over there. And the next letter hamza is appear in next word. So this is the madde munfasil. Illa huwal hayyul qayyum. This is the throttle letter, and this throttle letter has our ha will connect with the ya mushadda. Ya mushadda with pesh. Okay, will connect with the lam sakina. Hayyul qayyum. This is the heavy letter, haruf musta'aliya letter. Qaf is bold letter. So qayyum. This is the waqf jazz here. Here it's better to stop, but it's permissible to continue. La ta'khuzuhu. You will read ta with a little bit jerk because hamza has a jazm sign over there. La, this is the alif madda here. La ta'khuzuhu sinatun wala naum. You make idgham here. So this is the haruf yarmalun. This is the waqf mutlaq. It's better to stop here. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. This is the waqf mutlaq here. Man dhalladhi. You make ikfa here because afternoon sakina zal is coming and ikfa letter they were 15. Dhalladhi, this is the ya madda. Yashfa'u 'indahu. You make ikfa here because afternoon sakina dal is coming. 'Indahu illa bi'idhnih. Okay, this is waqf mutlaq here, and at the last letter would be changed into ha sakina. Bi'idhnih. Ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim. This is the ya leen here because there is a zabar before ya sakina. This is the ya leen. Ya leen and waw leen, there are two leen letters. So the ya is one of them. Aydihim, this is the ya madda here. Wama khalfahum. This is the waqf jazz. It's better to stop, but it's permissible to continue. ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه. بشيء من علمه. You make a izhar here because after noon sakina throttle letter is coming. Wala, this is the alif madda here. This is the ya madda. This is the waw madda. Shay, this is the ya leen. In min ilmi. This is the idgham and izhar. After noon sakina throttle letter is coming. So you make izhar here. Illa bima sha'a. Illa bima sha'a. Wasi'a kursiyuhu samawati wal ard. Wala yawuduhu حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. वक़्फ़े ताम. End of the verse. कोई मामूद नहीं सवाए अल्लाह के, वो खुद हमेशा से है और हर चीज को जिंदगी अता करने वाला है. वो खुद हमेशा से कायम है और पूरी कायनात को कायम रखने वाला है. ना उसको ऊँग आती है और ना नींद उस पर कभी गफलत तारी नहीं होती. जो कुछ जमीन और आसमान में है वो उसी का है. कौन ऐसा है जो उसकी इजाजत के बगैर उसके पास फारिश कर सके उसके लिए कि वो जानता है जो कुछ गुजर चुका है उसको भी और जो कुछ होने वाला है उसको भी अल्लाह ताला के इल्म में से किसी चीज को इंसान अपनी समझ के दायरे में नहीं ला सकता, लेकिन सवाए जो कुछ अल्लाह चाहे। अल्लाह ताला की कुर्सी कुव्वत इतनी वसी है कि तमाम आसमान और जमीन को अपने घेरे में लिए हुए है और उनकी निगरानी और हिफाजत में अल्लाह के लिए कोई थकावट नहीं है। वो तो बहुत ही बुलंद और अजमत वाला है। Allah, there is no God but He, Al-Hayy, the ever-living, Al-Qayyum, the self-subsisting, eternal. No slumber can seize Him nor sleep. His are all things in the heavens and on earth. Who is there that can intercede in His presence except as He permits? He knoweth what appeared to his creatures as before, after or behind them, nor shall they pass out of his knowledge except as he willeth. His courtesy doth extend over the heavens and the earth, and he feeleth no fatigue in guarding and preserving them. He is Alai, the Most High, Al-Azim, the Supreme in glory. Preaching. After this, Allah's messages continued to come, and he quietly but firmly began to preach the oneness of Allah and the good ways of living to his relatives and friends. His wife Hazrat Bibi Khotija Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha was the first to accept Islam. His very close friend Hazrat Abu Bakr bin Quhafa Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu and slave Hazrat Zaid Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu and his cousin Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu and then Hazrat Usman bin Affan Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Talha bin Ubaidullah Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Zubair bin Awam Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu became Muslims. The teachings of Islam continue in secret for 3 years. Then Allah commanded Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to preach the religion of Islam openly to his people, obeying Allah. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, please correct spell Muhammad. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam called his people together from the family of the Quraysh and invited them to the religion of Islam. The people of the Quraysh were very angry with his teaching and began to abuse him. Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam didn't stop preaching Islam, although the people of Makkah, especially his uncle Abu Lahab and Abu Jahl, Amr bin Hisham, were against his message and preaching. But the sincere people slowly continued to accept Islam. The poor and weak converts to Islam, like Hazrat Bilal Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and others suffered at the hands of Quraysh. With all the hardships, no one left Islam, and Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not stop his mission of Islam.